Today on Great Taste of Las Vegas, we're gonna cook simple and delicious rice noodle with vegetable and ground pork. Okay, what we have is ground pork right here. We'll turn on the stove. We don't put an oil in here yet because this pork already has 20% of fat in there. So we use medium-high heat. Then we add a little bit of water in there to easily break the meat. Use a chopstick or a spatula. When you break it into small pieces, it's easy by side to eat. Yep, so now it is like that. We're going to season it with dash. If you read it, it has a lot of ingredients like turmeric and Italian oregano, so it's good for it. About a teaspoon in here. And as always, I like my onion, powdered onion. While the meat is cooking, I will cut some onion too, the fresh onion. And I throw the onion in with the meat. So we just add some onion to give the meat more flavor. And I'm going to introduce the special sauce today, the soybean sauce. This kind of soybean sauce makes the food special. See the black bean coming out? For this to be really tasty, you put about two big teaspoons in here. That's it. That makes your noodles special and tasty. On top of that oil, we're going to put our regular soys in here. And we're going to add to it hoisin sauce, just a teaspoon. The meat looks fantastic right now, okay? The meat is great. That's why you want to season the meat first before you put anything else in here. We're going to add 2 ladles of oil to cook our noodle and vegetable. We have a lot of vegetable. Asian mustard. We're going to use it all. What we do, we're going to wash it with salt water. Take the yellow leaves out. You use a scissor to cut and drop them in here in the bite-sized pieces. That's easy to cook. These type of vegetables are not stringy like bok choy. So we're going to cut these vegetables and then wash them in salt water. So we cut them already. We add salt. And we rinse it out. Go drop the vegetable inside this. Bring the meat up and let the vegetable cook right now. Turn on heat to high again. We'll cook the vegetable for 2 to 3 minutes. You can look in here, the vegetable that coming out some sauce over there. So you can just bring it down so they can have enough sauce to simmer and cook the mustard green. You can put a lid on to make sure it cooks good because there's a lot of vegetable. We don't have to make these rice noodles at home. You can pick them up at the supermarket. They call it thin rice noodle. We're going to put some water in the thin rice noodle and microwave it to soften it. So we're going to cook 2 minutes. Okay, so if you bought it dry from the supermarket and the noodle is already soft, so you don't have to do this. But if you leave the noodle back in the refrigerator, you need to warm up in the microwave oven for 3 minutes. Okay, so now let's put the noodles in here to finish with the food. And you can break the noodle like this. So it should be like that, the noodle, so it blends in with the sauce easier. If it's too long, just cut it out, or it's too sticky, bring it out like that. Mix them up like this. Now your noodle is ready. This is our thin rice noodle with ground pork and vegetable in a special black bean sauce. From Great Taste of Las Vegas, hope you're happy and healthy.